In the Denver metro area, your boiler is vital for comfort during cold months, so unusual noises are cause for concern. Boiler noise can result from various causes. Some are minor, while others need professional care to prevent damage or inefficiency. Here are 4 common reasons boilers make unusual noises. 1. Kettling. Kettling happens when limescale or sludge restricts flow in the heat exchanger, overheating water and causing a loud rumbling like a tea kettle. Some signs of kettling are rumbling or popping noises, uneven heat in the home, and higher energy bills from reduced efficiency. 2. Air in the system. Gurgling or bubbling usually means trapped air disrupting water flow, leading to uneven heating and noise. Some causes of this can be improper radiator bleeding, normal wear in older systems, or water pressure that's too low. 3. Water pressure issues. Low water pressure makes the boiler work harder and can cause humming, whistling, or knocking, often due to leaks, a failed pressure relief valve, or mineral buildup. 4. Worn or broken components. Worn pumps, fans, or bearings can create clicking, banging, or grinding and signal the need for immediate professional service. How to address a noisy boiler. Try bleeding radiators and checking system pressure. If noises persist or worsen, have a licensed HVAC technician inspect, descale, and repair or replace faulty parts to restore efficiency. Recognizing the importance of maintaining a quiet and efficient heating system is critical for your comfort, safety, and energy savings. If you're ever unsure about what's causing your boiler to make noises, it's always best to call in a professional. Contact AB Heating and Cooling to learn more about boiler repair and maintenance services and to receive a free estimate. We service homeowners and light commercial customers in the Denver metro area and beyond.